So this question says, site company made a profit before interest and tax of $3.5 million in the most recent financial year. It expects this to grow by 3% next year. The company is funded partly by 10 million $1 nominal value shares and also by a 5 million nominal value 6% coupon bond trading at $5.2 million. The corporate tax rate is 20% and the company's cost of equity is 10%. Site company expects to pay out 25% of its earnings as a dividend next year. Thereafter, dividends are expected to grow by 3% per year. What is the value of site company's equity using the dividend valuation model to the nearest 0.1 million? Okay, so first of all, to work out the value of the equity, the formula is P0 equals D0 1 plus G over KE minus G. Now, some of this information is given to us directly. For example, it tells us that the growth of dividends is going to be 3% per year. So that's 1 plus 0.03 on the top. And on the bottom, you've got your growth of 0.03. We're also told that the cost of equity is 10%. So that can go in as 0.1. So all we need to do now is find out the value of this dividend. And we are told that 25% of the earnings are paid out as a dividend. So all we have to do now is work out what the earnings are. And we're told that the profit before interest and tax is 3.5 million. So if we start off with that, profit before interest and tax is $3.5 million. We then have to take off the interest, and we have $5 million worth of nominal value bonds with a coupon rate of 6%. Now, the interest is always based on nominal value, so the fact that they're trading at 5.2 million is not relevant in this case. And therefore, 6% of 5 million means we're going to be paying interest of 300,000. This will give us profit before tax of 3.2 million. So if we take off tax of 20% of 3.2, that is going to be 0.64. And then this will give us profit after tax of 3.2 minus 0.64 of 2.56. 25% of this is going to be paid out as a dividend. So the dividend is going to be $0.64 million. That figure can then go into our calculation here, 0.64. And if you multiply that by 1.03 and then divide that by 0.1 minus 0.03, it's 0.07. And that gives you an answer of 9.4 million. And therefore the answer is A.